Welcome to Eskemoz. Today we're diving into 28 fascinating body facts that will reshape your perception of the human body. Our bodies are not only functional entities, but they also hold incredible secrets about how we see ourselves and the world. From the intricate workings of our senses to the surprising ways our bodies react to the environment, get ready to be amazed. So, let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Have you ever heard of tasting colors or seeing sounds? It's a real phenomenon called synesthesia. For synesthetes, the number 5 might be green, or a violin sound could evoke chocolate. This condition highlights the plasticity of the human brain and how it creates unique sensory experiences. To the Inuit people, there are numerous shades of white. Their ability to distinguish subtle variations in the snow's color helps them navigate, hunt, and survive. This example demonstrates how our environment can directly shape and influence our sensory perception. The Himba people of Namibia challenge our understanding of color perception. Their language lacks specific words for colors like blue or green, instead focusing on textures and shades. This case study reveals the powerful interplay between language and perception. As we age, our vision changes. By our 70s, a yellowish tint often develops in our lenses. This affects our perception of colors, especially blues and greens. The brain adapts, compensating for these changes. Nearly half of your brain power processes visual information. This shows the importance of sight in daily life. Our brains respond to visual cues with food. Colors, shapes, and arrangements influence our appetite and how much we eat. Few blue foods exist in nature, leading biologists to believe humans have a natural aversion to blue-colored food. Our ancestors linked blue and purple hues with poisonous berries and spoiled meat. Using blue plates helps control portion sizes, as the color can subconsciously curb our appetite. Colors profoundly impact our mood and emotions. Yellow, the color of sunshine, evokes happiness, optimism, and energy. Green, the color of nature, brings tranquility, balance, and renewal. Surrounding yourself with green creates calm and peacefulness, ideal for relaxation spaces. We all yawn. It's an involuntary reflex that often signals tiredness or boredom. Yawning engages a surprising set of muscles, potentially leading to a tiny, almost imperceptible spout of saliva. Some researchers believe it helps regulate brain temperature or even plays a role in social bonding and communication. We often associate strength with bones, but what about our teeth? Believe it or not, your teeth are stronger than your bones. Composed of enamel, our teeth withstand incredible pressure and wear. So next time you brush, appreciate these tiny but mighty powerhouses. Have you ever noticed that you're a tad taller in the morning than in the evening? It's not your imagination. Throughout the day, the cartilage discs in our spine compress due to gravity, making us slightly shorter as the day wears on. When we sleep, our bodies relax and the discs rehydrate, restoring our full height by morning. So enjoy those extra millimeters. We all know that our fingerprints are unique, but did you know we have other distinctive identifiers? Just like our fingertips, our tongues have unique patterns, creating what are known as tongue prints. Each of us also emits a unique odor, a blend of chemicals forming our personal scent. Fear, often seen as a negative emotion, can be a powerful motivator. In threatening situations, our bodies release adrenaline, triggering fight or flight. This response reveals the incredible potential within us. Tickling, a seemingly simple act, has puzzled scientists for centuries. Our brains monitor our movements and sensations, predicting the sensory consequences of our actions. When we try to tickle ourselves, our brain anticipates the sensation, dampening the response. Blushing, that involuntary reddening of our cheeks, is a uniquely human phenomenon. Blushing is triggered by social emotions, such as embarrassment, shyness, or being the center of attention. Some researchers believe it serves as a social signal, communicating our self-awareness and adherence to social norms. This reaction can foster empathy and strengthen social bonds. Goosebumps, those tiny bumps that appear on our skin when we're cold or frightened, are a fascinating reminder of our evolutionary past. In our furry ancestors, goosebumps served a practical purpose. While we humans have lost most of our body hair, the reflex to get goosebumps remains, a vestigial response that offers a glimpse into our evolutionary journey, connecting us to our past. Are we born with a dominant hand, or is it shaped by our environment? Genetics play a role in hand preference, but cultural factors also influence handedness. Phantom limb syndrome, a condition where amputees continue to feel sensations in their missing limb, highlights the remarkable plasticity of the human brain. This phenomenon challenges our understanding of the relationship between the body and the brain, suggesting that our sense of self extends beyond our physical form into the realm of the mind. The placebo effect, where a fake treatment produces real physiological effects, shows the power of the mind-body connection. It highlights the influence our thoughts, beliefs, and expectations have on physical well-being. Have you ever watched someone get hurt and winced as if it were happening to you? This reaction is thanks to mirror neurons. Mirror neurons play a crucial role in empathy, imitation, and social learning, allowing us to understand others' experiences. We often learn about our five senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. But did you know we possess a sixth sense called proprioception? Proprioception is our sense of body awareness, knowing where our limbs are without looking. The bacteria in our gut, known as our gut microbiome, play a larger role in our health and well-being than previously thought. Research suggests a strong connection between our gut and brain, with studies showing imbalances in gut bacteria can influence mood, sleep, and even our risk for certain mental health conditions. Crying, a universal human experience, is often seen as a sign of sadness or distress. However, tears serve various purposes, both emotional and physiological. Emotional tears contain stress hormones and chemicals released during times of emotional arousal. Have you ever wondered why some people are more sensitive to certain tastes? Our ability to taste is influenced by the number of taste buds on our tongues. Super tasters, with a higher density of taste buds, experience flavors more intensely. This genetic variation highlights the diversity of human sensory experiences. Music profoundly affects our emotions, and it also impacts our bodies in surprising ways. Studies show listening to music can lower heart rate, blood pressure, reduce stress hormones, and alleviate pain. The rhythm and melody can synchronize with our heartbeats, creating a sense of calm and well-being. Touch is essential for human connection and well-being. Studies show touch releases oxytocin, promoting bonding, reducing stress, and boosting our immune system. Whether a warm embrace, gentle massage, or holding hands, touch profoundly impacts our health and happiness. Laughter is not only enjoyable, but it also offers many health benefits. When we laugh, our brains release endorphins, natural painkillers that elevate mood and reduce stress. Laughter strengthens our immune system, improves cardiovascular health, and burns calories. Our bodies follow a 24-hour cycle called the circadian rhythm. This clock regulates sleep, hormone production, and body temperature. Disruptions like jet lag or shift work can harm our health. Our bodies host trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, collectively known as our microbiome. Microbial cells in and on our bodies outnumber our human cells by 10 to 1. These microscopic inhabitants are crucial for our health, aiding digestion, boosting immunity, and influencing mood and behavior. In conclusion, these astonishing facts highlight the extraordinary aspects of our bodies. From the intricate workings of our brains to the surprising ways our bodies react to the environment, we've uncovered a treasure trove of knowledge. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of body facts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.